What's up, you dirty little hoggers? We are throwing it back to one of the first videos I ever did on the channel down here in Florida. We're back on Alexander Springs, going for some stumpies, stump knockers, spotted sunfish, whatever you want to call them. I haven't chased these in over a year, but I just remember them being feisty and fun as can be. It's too windy to go inshore this weekend, so we're hitting this little creek river system, throwing some small paddle tails and curly tail grubs, going for the aggressive stump knockers, bass if we can catch some. We'll see, but anyway, stay tuned and let's catch some fish. I actually see some little sunfish right now, so let's see if we can't catch any. Yeah, micro fishing, baby. First fish of the day, a little bass fry. That's a stud right there. Oh, baby. What a fish. Look at him, he's so cute. Nom, 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 nom. I'd say that's a trophy right there. Oh, yeah. Thanks, Bubba. I guess we're microfishing today. There we are. The first stumpy of the day. Now this is what we're going after. Little stump knockers. Beautiful fish. Nice. Woo! First of the day, and they are fired up. Let me see if I can't oh, I tried washing them off and I accidentally let go of them. Not a great view there for y'all, but first stumpy right off that tree there. There are some big stumpies in here. I caught some 7-inchers last year, which for a stump knocker is ginormous. Usually they're about that size that I just caught, a little 4 or 5-incher. But there are some studs here. I downsized to a 1/16 ounce jig head because my 1/8 was sinking way too fast and just too big for the baits. Now I'm throwing this butte, and it's worked. So I've caught all 3 of my fish on. So definitely needed a microfish. There we are. Bluegill with a lot of wind. Sorry about that. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. First bluegill of the day. There's up to 3 species. Look at him. So you can tell he has a bluegill based off of this spot right there on the back of his dorsal fin. Oh my gosh, I just got hit with my bait in the water. Maybe fishing's picking up, but first bluegill. There we are. Oh yeah, that is my biggest redbreast ever. What a unit. This is epic. That's 4 species already. What a beauty of a fish. Oh my gosh, guys, are you seeing this? Look at the colors. I don't know if my GoPro can even comprehend those colors. Man, what an epic fish. Woo! Epic. Oh, that's what we came for. I didn't know there were that big of redbreasts in here, but woo, let's go. That's what we're talking about, baby. There we are. Nice redbreast. Another ready. Yeah, chomped it. It's a stud. God, they got some pretty colors. They absolutely hammered me. Oh, sorry. Oh, you're dirty now. There he is. Look at him. Oh my God, I can't get over it. I just cannot get over how pretty them are. Just the colors. Yes, sir. It's a redbreast video, baby. Let's go. Right off that tree. I had to switch up baits. They stole my curly tail. So we're back to the paddle tail, just on that light jig head. And I'm cutting about a ½ inch off of it so it fits good. But there we go. Another fish. Ready! Yes, number 3 on the day. These are some studs here. This guy might have been on a bed, honestly. So I threw and he just instantly was yum. Give me that bait. Which I imagine you guys would see, but another stud redbreast. Hey, this is epic. I'm in love with this. This is so much fun. Oh, what a feisty stumpy. I mean, how'd I even hook you, dude? All right, now I can show you what a stump knocker looks like. Maybe. All right. So this is a stump knocker, or spotted sunfish. You can kind of see the spots. A good way to tell is the blue on their under eye is one of the only parts of the bluegill family that has these. So that's a stumpy, and they're tough suckers. Well, you dirty little hoggers, I think I've got them dialed in, so I'm going to tell you a little about what I'm doing. So like I stated earlier, I downsized to a 1/16 ounce jig head from an 1/8 because the 1/8 was too big. I'm kind of just fishing deep pockets. There's a channel right here with a deep pocket. I'm catching most of them closer to that spatter dock. So kind of just picking deeper holes where I'm not getting a bunch of eelgrass on my line. So just deeper holes, throwing small baits, and I've been kind of killing the redbreast. That's number 5, I think. So yeah, that's a little on what I'm doing. What do I got? I think it's a redbreast. Oh yeah, another ready. Woo! Yeah, baby. Another beauty. Ah! Okay. It's too easy. Too easy. I could have had a redbreast dinner tonight. It's another beauty. Yum yum. This is just too easy. Too easy. If you want a redbreast, come on out to Alexander Springs. There are plenty of big ones. Cool if there were some 9-10 inchers, but that's asking too much. But I'm happy with these 7s. Well, you dirty little hoggers, I made it about as far as I wanted to down, so we're gonna fish our way back and see if we can't catch a few more on the way back. But so far it's been really damn good. If you're going for some nice redbreasts, this is the place to be. So stay tuned. I'm wanting a big stumpy, so that's the goal on the paddle back, but let's see. Big redbreast. Yeah, sir. That's a stud there. The wind switched directions, which sucks because I paddled into the wind and now I'm paddling back into the wind again. But man, that's a beaut. That's an 8-incher all day. All day. Yeah, sure. Look at the colors on that. Don't do it, mullet. Think about smack me. Fish on too. They're ready. Oh, okay, good. I thought he swallowed it. Golly, you got some red on you, dude. This red is just amazing. I don't understand it. Decent bass. Easily my biggest of the day. About a pound. No, not a pound, but 12-incher. Might be the biggest bass in here. Oh yeah, baby. Now that's a stud right there. Florida LMB stud. Ah yeah, Becky. That was a nice fish there. Yeah, baby. Well, you dirty little hoggers. I'm gonna call her there. I've absolutely smoked the fish. Smoked, nice size redbreast sunfish. Just, I think I probably caught close to 25 of them today. If I was keeping fish, I would have been eating good. That's all I gotta say. I mean, you wouldn't be getting too much meat off of them, but if you wanted to, you could easily make a meal out of them. But man, that was a blast. This little paddle tail absolutely killed him. Killed him. I wish I had a fly rod because I feel like on a calmer day, maybe not today, I could hit him on dry flies, and that would have been epic. So we'll see. Maybe we'll dabble in that in a future video. But it's good to know that I still know how to catch freshwater fish. So thanks for watching. Any questions? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and then I'll catch y'all in the next one.